Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of stopping and starting SQL Server services. Whether you're performing maintenance, troubleshooting, or optimizing your server setup, knowing how to control SQL Server services is essential. Let's look at the process of stopping and starting SQL Server. Go to Search and type Services and select it from the list. Scroll down to find services named SQL Server and SQL Server agent name. Right-click on them and then click on Stop. Again, right-click on the same file and click on Start. Do this for SQL Server Agent. This agent automates the execution of tasks, jobs, and scripts on a scheduled basis. Sometimes, tasks can be accomplished even without running the agent services. Now, proceed to open SSMS and attempt to connect to the SQL Server. You should be able to connect, as demonstrated here. Here you can see we are able to connect to SQL Server. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.